but larger other municipalities and county officials as well.
And the police and the fire department and more are telling us over and over that they're asking residents to stay out of the tornado-damaged areas. Police Chief Jerry Stillings says crews need to be able to do their work.
The one thing I just want to emphasize is that we have to have people out of those affected areas so that we can do our work and get it done sooner, so that we can shrink that perimeter and let people back in. And the other issue is, please try to stay away from 4th Street and 19th Street when you're driving. It's just bogging us down.
And that perimeter area that he's talking about, that's a perimeter that's set up by the Highway Patrol. There are more than 60 roadblocks around the Moore area trying to keep people out of the tornado-damaged areas. FEMA Director Craig Fugate was sent to Oklahoma by the president himself last night, and he arrived today. He told reporters that their job is to support the recovery effort in Oklahoma.
It's unfortunate that we are once again seeing what tornadoes can do, but you're also seeing what the investment in public safety and the commitment to training and exercise does when disaster does strike.
And a lot of people talking about the Big 12 baseball conference. After meeting with the governor and the mayor of Oklahoma City, the Big 12 has decided to go ahead and play the conference baseball tournament, but instead of beginning tomorrow. The first game is going to be Thursday morning, and the format is also changing to pool play. There will be 4 games on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and then a championship game on Sunday. And from the KTOK Weather Center, the forewarned storm team, partly cloudy tonight, low in the mid-50s. Tomorrow, we should actually have some sunshine. It's sunny at 63 degrees now in KTOK. I'm back on.
Insurance Commissioner John Doak earlier today in his presentation.